everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you under Samsung Galaxy devices in around 2 minutes. Today we're going to talk about App Pair. App Pair is a way that you're able to save a pair of applications in your Edge panel. So with one single tap, you're able to open up 2 apps at the exact same time in multi-window. So the way that we have it set up right now for what I've saved is my Google Maps and music. So this way, when you're driving somewhere, you're trying to figure out where you need to go, you can also control your music. Now, how you're able to get this turned on and activated and set one up is make sure you go inside of your Edge panel. But if your Edge panel is not already turned on, go inside of your settings, and underneath settings, go inside of display, and then underneath display, you're going to find where it says Edge screen. Now, make sure your Edge panels right here is turned on. Now, by default, your panel of apps should already be there. If it is not, or if you turned it off, just make sure you go through these right here, turn on the panel for apps. Now, once you've done that, you'll open this up, you'll find where your apps panel is, which is right here, and then you want to hit on this little plus button. Now, with this plus button, you also have the negative button. So if you need to get rid of something, you're able to get rid of it. Any type of app pair that you've already created, you can also delete these as well. So we're going to go through, delete both. So right up there on the top left-hand side, this is where you can create an app pair. So just think of any application that you use together, or maybe something that you use all the time. Sometimes you might, let's say that you want to use your calendar, and let's go down over inside of another application that you might need to refer back to. So maybe the Messages app. So if a lot of times somebody might be asking you inside of messaging what you're doing on a specific date, this is what you're able to do. You can also switch it if you want one of them to be on the top or the other one to be on the bottom. Once you're done, you hit on the done button, and then now it's going to be added right over here. So now that you've had one added in, once you open this up, tap on this one here, and now you already have it set up. But I hope you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe. Subscribe right over here in the very bottom left-hand side by hitting this little circle. If you like this video, then more than likely you'll also like this video. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm my true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of